This is the list of major companies which are using Angular and React. They are giving higher packages in the market. So everything is into the developer's hands. Choosing badly can come costly. Angular provides security and structure. On the other hand, React provides agility and speed. Hello coders, welcome to DevByteSchool. By now, you have probably understood what are the benefits of using different JavaScript frameworks like Angular or React. The next question comes in the mind that what to choose from both of them. What is the best for your project? Because both are using for similar concepts. They reuse those components to make an single page applications. Imagine you are going to the mobile store and want to purchase a mobile. What will be your preference? Some people might want a longer battery life for regular attending the meetings, and some people want a higher megapixel camera to take a regular selfies. So it depends, right? It works in a similar way with Angular and React. Both of them are used to make an scalable application, but in very different ways. Some developers are really like Angular and some of them are really like React. So you need to figure out what are the main differences between both of them and then you decide what will be best for your project. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading the new video, you will get the notification for that. We have also created DevByteSchool Telegram group. QR code is visible on the screen. Link is also provided into the description. We are going to provide all the resources, interview tips and tricks, and all our new video updates over there. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, Angular is introduced by Google and React is introduced by Facebook. This is the list of major companies which are using Angular and React. So Angular is used by Google, Microsoft, YouTube, Cisco, Sony and IBM. And on the other hand, React is used by Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Netflix, Uber. This means both frameworks are mature solutions to build and larger scale application. Whereas these two types of companies also tells the story of two very different worlds. And name only suggests the main difference between them. Their logos tell very similar story. Angular has a shield which defines the security. On other hand, React defines atom which denotes speed and agility. Angular builds the website of solid and sensible companies like Google and Sony. On the other hand, React builds the websites of Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, where they expect speed of execution. Angular side, it has a predefined structure. Every module has its own folder. Every component inside the module has its own folder. And if you want your application to be compiled, you need to follow this structure. On the other hand, the React does not follow any structure. Whatever structure developer choose for React, it will fit into that. It can come costly. React components are just the functions that renders the HTML code. So everything is into the developer's hands. Choosing badly can come costly. Angular comes with the cost too. It has predefined libraries and packages that you need to understand and study. It takes the time. Concluding everything, Angular is an MVC framework, whereas React is just a JavaScript library. Angular has larger components, whereas React is providing more focused components. Angular side, it has a very predefined structure, whereas on the React side, there is no predefined structure, everything is into developer's hand. On the Angular side, you need a deep learning to understand the folder structure and packages, whereas React can learn in one very productive afternoon. React code is easy to learn and easy to mess up with. It all depends on the developer. Angular provides security and structure. On the other hand, React provides agility and speed. Now, what to learn from both of them? Choice is yours. If you want a structure and standardized project, you go for Angular. If you want a speed and agility, then you go for React. The only similarity between both of them are they are giving higher packages in the market. So both are the great frameworks. So based on your requirements, it's up to you what you want to choose. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like our video, please share with your friends and colleagues. If you're new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading the new video, you will get the notification for that. Also join our Telegram group. We will meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding!